Hey guys, well, look what I got in the mail. I got another lightsaber unboxing video. So last week, Ultimate Works, or the Pach Store, released a new lightsaber. They released a Savage Opress inspired lightsaber. Savage Opress is Darth Maul's brother, if you guys don't know. And he has a double lightsaber staff that Ultimate Works recently released a replica for, and I picked up a pre-kit for this lightsaber, and surprisingly, it came in pretty fast. So that's awesome. It's only been a week since the release, and I was probably one of the first person who ordered this uh, when they dropped the release. So, all right, let's dive right into the unboxing. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna pick this up, but I kind of just closed my eyes and bought it. I mean, I have another mall staff from LGT, but that I recently reviewed. And honestly, I've been waiting for Ultimate Works to restock their mall, and I was gonna get it, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. So I was like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna get this. Maybe a nice alternative. Yeah, check out this box. All right, and then let's get right into the sweet part. Yeah. If I could get it out. Sorry. And your usual padding in the box and the instructions. And this is the hilt. Check it out. What do you? Oh, I'm not sure what these are, but I guess we'll find out later. Possibly might be. I'm not sure. But yeah, look at these. These are the emitters. And this is the connection for their removable chassis. And there's the blade plug. And there should be NeoPixel connection in there if I take out the blade plug. But this is the grip. And it's pretty much empty. I bought this in the pre-kit, so since I already have it requires 2 chassis, which I have, and it requires 2 NeoPixel blades, which I also have. So that's why I decided to get the pre-kit, to save myself a little money. But yeah, I think, let me just grab my 2 Pach Store chassis and blades, and then I'll quickly power it up for you guys to see. All right, so I got my 2 32-inch NeoPixel blades here from LGT, and my 2 chassis from the Pach Store or Ultimate Works. And then now all that's left is figuring out how to put this together. Supposedly you just drop the chassis in, and then you line up these 2 pins on the side of the threading to the open area that's on the threading here, and then it should line up. Let me just do this real quick.
This party's over.
All right. All right. And then you just screw it in. I think it's easier to plug the chassis in first, and then screw it in. And I guess you could use this as like as a hilt like this too if you wanted. And then you'll have like, you have a little hilt here. Yeah, I guess it has a little glowed up button. Not really a button, but it's kind of like it shows the color of the blade. Here.
It's trees.
It's going. It's following the color of how the blade should be. So that's cool. All right, let me put on the other side. There we go. All right. Oops, sorry. Let me just redo this. All right. And there you go. You got the staff here. Cool. And then I'll put in the blades for you guys to see too. And then I'll end this video.
You're fulfilling your destiny. Raiden. I claim this sword, and my rightful place is leader of Raiden. I am the Senate.
All right. Check this out. That's pretty tight. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is the unboxing video of the Savage Opress replica by Ultimate Works that I bought from the Pach Store. Thank you. See ya.